I come from the black pearl of the Mediterranean Sea. My name is the Son of the Wind. Who am I? Now let me tell you, this wine taste is gonna be difficult because I wanna drink it, the whole bottle. So good, the smell, since I've opened it, it's just like invading the entire environment. The smell of dry candied fruit, like dry papaya, there is like dry apricots, quince, but there is also something else in this wine. There is like saffron and a beautiful cheddar, like citrus element of the wine. This is really so sexy. I feel like I'm already drinking the wine, you know, like this is spectacular. It's one of the greatest dessert wine that Italy has ever seen. Son of the Wind, Ben Ryè. Donnafugata is making this Passito wine from the island of Pantelleria, the Black Pearl, volcanic island. The vines of Zibibbo, the Alexandria muscat, are cultivated on bush tree vines. So when you have to go, you know why? Because it's very windy. So as a result, it means that there is very low, kind of like very few disease, so organic agriculture. But you have to do the harvest on your knees. And they're small, they're short, so that wind doesn't kill the vines. It's heroic viticulture. You have like these terraces, UNESCO World Heritage Site, to allow viticulture over there. So how do you make, oh my gosh, it's like sweet amber. It's like drinking gold. But all of a sudden you have this acidity that feels like it's like some gold linear freshness into your palate that make the wine really refreshing, and you can drink buckets full of it. And you could blend, what would you match it with? Caramelized DOC. You could go with blue cheese. You could go with foie gras. Everything luscious and sexy that you can think in the food world goes well with this wine. Chocolate, of course. You know what I'm saying? It's bonkers. But how do you make a wine like this? Passito wines are made drying the grapes on one way or another. In this case, the grapes are harvested in August, and then they're gonna go on some straw mats for 1 month, like on the open air. So the sugar concentrate, the acidity concentrate, the flavors concentrate, the water evaporates. And then you're gonna have a cleaning of these berries, second phase of the winemaking process. Then you have to wait till September for a second harvest. And at that point, with the second harvest, you're gonna get the fermentation started. So now you have the juice of the second fermentation, and in that, you're gonna add up the raisins from the first harvest. So that way, you're gonna be making a sweet wine, getting the sweetness, getting everything from those dry berries. At that point, you wanna age the wine for a few months and then release it in the market. I've got the first vintage at home of these wines still with me. You know, this wine can also age forever. Hey, there's only one thing to do. You gotta get yourself over to Pantelleria, to Donnafugata Winery to check it out. Have you watched our next video yet? Go for it, guys. And for more tips, tricks, and love, follow our social media, subscribe our channel, and we'll catch up with you later.